Welcome to this tutorial video. In the last course, we have rendered the final effect. Next, we will guide you step by step on how to export your projects. Let's try it together. Part 1. Export construction drawings. Enter the interior design, select Drawings, Construction Drawings. Enter the Construction Drawings interface. Construction drawings include edit views and drawings layout. The specific layout of the edit views is as follows. On the left is the view list. You can select the view you want to edit in the list. The upper part of the drawing editing tools, you can select the tool to add auto annotate, dimensions, text, etc. On the right is the Properties panel. Select the annotation. You can modify the dimension, color, value, and other parameters of the annotation. In the lower left corner, you can set the wireframe mode and background color of the drawing. After drawing editing is completed, switch to the Drawings Layout page. The specific layout of the drawings layout is as follows. On the left is the Sheets list. You can select the sheet you want to lay out in the list. The Scale tool above the sheet can adjust the view scale size. Open the Right View Manager. Find the view that needs to be spliced and drag it directly into the canvas. After the drawing's layout settings are completed, click Download in the upper right corner. Select the drawing you want to download on the left side of the pop-up panel. Set the format of the exported drawing on the right. There are 3 export formats to choose from: CAD, PDF, JPG. After the setting is complete, click Download. The export folder will appear in the upper right. Part 2. Export floor plan drawings. Enter the interior design. Select Drawings. Floor plan drawings. In the left panel, you can adjust the color style, background, etc. Select your favorite style. Click the Color Styles card to switch the color combinations. Select your favorite background. Modify the project information. In the right panel, you can set the drawing size scale. After the adjustment is completed, click Download in the upper right corner. You can choose to download the image or PDF format. The Export folder will appear in the upper right. By this point, you have mastered the full workflow from drawing floor plans and decorating interiors to rendering images and exporting your projects. Don't hesitate, open your Coohom now and start your own design journey.